This is Sounds of Decay 1, Inquisition, Veneration of Medieval Mysticism and Cosmological Violence. Columbia's dynamic satanic duo have finally returned after an insufferable 2-year wait with more marathon song titles, shimmery guitars, and sagas of astral antichrists to enthrall and bewitch loyal subjects of the cult of Dagon. Years after drawing back the cosmic curtain to reveal new, unexplored possibilities in black metal sonics, the pair continues to outdo themselves with album after album of thousand-yard stares into the celestial abyss.
Man, whoever wrote that knows their shit. I'll tell you what. All reviews written by Mark and STACE are there. It would appear that producer Alejandro Corredor has become a veritable third member of the band. He was the original engineer behind their massive album, Ominous Doctrines of the Perpetual Mystical Microcosm, which may or may not be featured in a future Wax of Contrition. Next tasty colored vinyl upstairs. Anyway, his work with Dagon and Incubus on the last couple of albums has reflected some really forward-thinking sonic tapestries. The new album, Veneration, delivers all the elements fans would expect from Inquisition: the croaks, the processionals, the speed snare violence. The lush guitar arrangements introduced on the last record are still present, a sort of psychedelic swirl that makes the pagan whispers of Dagon's bell-like chimes even more hypnotic. Take a track like Memories Within an Empty Castle in Ruins. There's an almost orchestral element to the melodies that weave around Incubus's incessant pounding. Same with Primordial Philosophy and Pure Spirit. The echoey jangles and fever dream guitars sing triumphantly over Dagon's creepy croak. Of course, I can't review an Inquisition record without saying that I miss the slutty, witchy spoken parts from the early records. I do, but why complain?
It would be easy for these two to repeat themselves at this point with reassembled versions of their renowned early records, but the band continues to push the envelope from a musical and production standpoint. Obviously, there's a lot more multiverse for these two to explore. So we're going to play a song from Inquisition. This is Crown of Light and Constellations.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.